as you guys can see, got the Cobra, and I'm showing you guys also the outside. Cobra. Dude, this is so cool, dude. Literally in the GT500. I need to get a mount so I can just like place that right here and drive, dude. That'd be so sick. Alright, y'all, we made it. Alright, let's fill up some gas. Alright, let's do this. Boom. Alright, so as you guys see, you're just getting gas in the GT500. We're just gonna go to the gym, work out, do a quick little workout, and I'm possibly head over to Cars and Coffee. Probably just go there for like an hour, not even 30 minutes. And then I gotta head back home. I gotta finish my packing, and then basically I got my detailer coming later to clean the car. He's gonna wash my car, kind of get the storage wash done, and then after the storage wash, vacuum it from the inside, kind of clean up the interior, store the car, put on the tether cable, pack the rest of my stuff up, and head over to the airport and get myself ready for my departure from my flight. I'm gonna get a full tank in here so that way I don't have to fill up gas again. So I can top it off fuel when I get back closer to home. I'll top off the fuel or whatever's left over. Oil change and everything's already done. It's got 100% oil life, so car's initially good to go. See how much it's gonna be for a full tank. As you guys can see, gas is not cheap, bro, especially driving a car like this. I fill that up on a daily basis. I fill up $40 to $50 literally on a daily freaking basis. Look at that, 40, 46, 47, 40. There we go, got a full tank at $47. Basically 50 bucks. So you guys gotta remember, you gotta pay to play. 48. All right, cool, let's head out. All right, we got the car on. For performance, you already know what the deal is. So let's get out of here. I'm gonna drive the car mode. We're gonna go to my mode. Boom. 215 miles to eat. Holy crap. That's first. First time I ever hit over 200. Hopefully next season I'll have like a proper mount where I can just place my phone like right here where it's at right now, and I can do more of like a proper POV drive for you guys, God willing. Hopefully you guys can hear how crazy the car sounds. This is with the valves open and track. DCT is kind of weird. Alright, let's do a pull for you guys. It's not even a pull. It's literally light throttle. It's absolutely insane how crazy this car sounds. Alright, gonna head over to the gym, kind of honestly, I'm gonna kind of end it, but if I do come back, we're probably gonna be heading to Cars and Coffee, so stay tuned. Dude, this is so crazy. I'm gonna spin. I cannot full throttle it. If I full throttle it right now, I'm literally gonna go inside the road, dude. Well, you guys kind of sort of heard it. The exhaust sounds good. This is with the windows up too, so windows are currently up. Smiling. I should take a selfie. I wish I could take a selfie with the dual capture, but I can't, so I gotta kind of smile. Fuck. I'm in fudge. One thing I love is the views here, man. Love the sky. I'm gonna miss the roads for sure, man. Roads in Japan are small, man. I love Japan. Japan's great. I love Japan. It's great. Don't mind me cheesing. I'm like gonna screenshot this later. And I'm also doing my POV Drive. Still in my mode. This dude in the Audi. Bro, I don't know, man. Can people just let me kind of do my thing? I don't want to race you. I'm not trying to race you. I hate when that happens. Yeah, I really need to get him out. Like staring hard at me. That Chevy that was in front of me is like staring mad hard. GMC Yukon. Staring mad hard. Exit's coming up. Give a little bit of gas for you guys here. Hang on. Not full throttle. It's not full throttle. It's light throttle. It's light. I kid you not. If it was full throttle, bro, I'd get like pushed back right now. Trust. Bear with me here, y'all. Watch this. Look at this kid in this Audi. Look at the kid in this Audi. He's coming up on my left. Like, bro, leave me alone, bro. That's hilarious. But it's cool. It's cool. Like, I'm not trying to mob or anything. I'm not. I'm just chilling. But I'm just trying to show you guys the exhaust. But he thinks I'm trying to mob, so it's all good. It's all love. If you see this video, guy with the white Audi, say what up, man. Message me on Instagram.